James Villain. I'm going to show you a little bit about how to build a frame for a mendel, especially the mendel kit that I'm selling. Here, come closer over here. Okay, these are the frame vertex pieces that you get. This is what a 3D printed one will look like. This one isn't very good quality, so went ahead and I have these, and this is much better quality. So this one was printed out in 45 minutes from my printer that was in a fast mode. But so here's what they look like. Here's what it looks like assembled, and I'm going to give you some tips on fast assembly. You take a 5/16 threaded rod. You want a 5/16 rod. This will be in the kit. Yeah, if you make them yourself, you want 5/16 because you need the support and you need that to be strong enough. If you get 1/4 inch, it will be too small. So 5/16 is also the same as an M6 rod if you're in Europe. So what I do is I start out, I put a net on there, 5/16 net. I put it in about 2 inches or about 40 to 50 millimeters. And then I go ahead and that's how I start these off. And I go ahead and I'm going to feed this through. I'm going to go one side. Let me do that correctly. I'm going to go one side first. I'm going to go like this. Can you see it in the video? I'm going to put the other piece on, and then I'm going to tighten up this. Now, how I reference this without a ruler is you always want to make sure that this is flush to the nut. So the rod is flush to the nut. Then you tighten it by hand, and then you take that part that we created right here with this nut, and then you go ahead and you feed that through, and then come look at the other side. Then you go ahead, you put the rod through, you twist it until the nut is flush with the rod, and you tighten the other side. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same for this bottom piece right here. Again, I reference it by making sure that the bottom of the rod is flush with the end, the outside of the nut. And I go ahead and I tighten this. So normally what you'd want to do is you want to go ahead and use lock washers with this, because my design actually is you can wiggle the screws loose. Let's see, let's go ahead and do this side. Can you see what I'm doing, Chi-Chi? Oh.
No.
Okay. Go ahead.
No, I can't see it. Just like.
And I go ahead and put that in 40 to 50 millimeters, or about 2 inches. And put it in like that. Use that as a rest. And I grab the other piece and I put it like that. And then I would go ahead and I would use the nut and tighten that end and flush it to the rod. I'm out of nuts for my demonstration, but the idea is you use 12 of these and you end up with a complete mendel frame vertex. This is the foundation, the support, the frame that makes the new mendel printer. Okay, there will be more videos to follow. Thank you. Push that button again.